Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of liking a story in Telegram. If you enjoy a particular story and want to show your appreciation, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram. Make sure you have the official version of Telegram installed on your device. Locate the Telegram app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Enter your phone number and follow the verification process to access your Telegram account. Step 3. Once you're logged in, you will notice the Stories bar at the top of the screen. This bar displays the stories posted by your contacts. Tap on the Stories bar to open the first story in the list, or you can also swipe down to open the first story. Step 4. To like the story, simply tap on the heart icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will indicate that you have liked the story. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to like a story in Telegram. Liking a story is a great way to show your appreciation for the content shared by your contacts. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.